Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 3. Which of the following statements is not true about farming in West Africa? A. Farm labor is highly inefficient. B. Farm workers are poorly paid. C. Getting reliable labor is difficult. D. Mechanization is fully adopted. So, if you had to rephrase this question, we are asked to pick out which statement among the options is untrue or false about farming in West Africa. That means among the 4 options given to us, 3 of them are true. So which among them is not true or false among the statements given to us? Now, and it has to do with farming in West Africa or challenges of agricultural production in West Africa. So option A says farm labor is highly inefficient. Now this is actually true as it regards farming in West Africa. Farm labor in West Africa is mainly manual labor. Okay, it's mainly manual labor, and for that reason it is highly inefficient. So this is true, and we're asked to pick out the one that is false. But this statement here is true, so it is incorrect and not the answer to the question. Now option B says farm workers are poorly paid. Now this is also related to option A, which talks about farm labor. Now I stated that farm labor is mainly manual, and it is often very difficult in West Africa to obtain labor, okay, the service of laborers. And even when they manage to obtain the service of laborers, the pay is not exactly very good. So this is also correct as it relates to farming in West Africa, and it's not the answer to this question. Option C says getting reliable labor is difficult. This is also true, similar to what we said about option B, so it is not the answer to the question. Now option D says mechanization is fully adopted. Now this statement is false. Okay, now mechanization refers to the use of machines or machinery for farm purposes instead of other sources such as manual labor. Now in West Africa, mechanization is not fully adopted. As I stated when I was talking about option A, many farmers choose or opt for manual labor due to economic conditions, and this problem also stems from various problems such as illiteracy. Okay, the farmers may not know how to operate the machinery used for the farm purposes. Poverty is another issue, as the cost of obtaining some of these machines is very high, and also inadequate facilities for maintenance of the machinery. So, as we have established, option D is not true concerning farming in West Africa and is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.